And as Charlotte indicated, I'd like to talk to the subject by introducing my patient to you, John. Now, John, as you can see, first presented to me in December of 2018, aged at that time just under 30. But his initial dental trauma, which involved being struck in the face with a wooden cricket bat, occurred much earlier, in April of 2007, when he was just over 18 years old. Now, at the time of the injury or the trauma, tooth 2-3 was avulsed. The incisor teeth was severely palatally displaced with likely injury to the actual bony structure, which required surgical realignment of the anterior maxilla and endodontic therapy of those four incisor teeth. And interestingly, at the time, tooth 2-3 was not replaced. Now, a radiograph sometime later would indicate that whilst his initial therapy provided stability in the area of the trauma, he had developed a number of other significant dental issues, which pleasingly at least, were addressed when I saw him some 2 years later. But he had also had, as you can identify, a single dental implant placed in the 2-3 side. So let me just briefly take you through a flow chart of what had happened to John before he met me. The initial trauma, as I indicated, was in 2007. And whilst this clinical image is not of him, it gives you some idea of the likely severity of the injury that was inflicted upon him. Subsequently, the first clinical records that I was able to obtain reflected in 2015 his initial restorative procedures. And that involved direct bonding of composite resin on the incisor teeth